Hello everyone, and let's have a quick Friday look here at the market situation on the Bitcoin price. And as we can see, we're still bumping up towards this 61.8 Fibonacci number that we spoke about the other day. So it's still kind of the same level. We have to get above this 6750 to 6800. And but if we can manage that, I mean, I think things might start to turn around in quite a nice way. And that will bring also other coins with it, of course, higher, like Bitcoin Cash and all these other ones as well, since the market goes kind of hand in hand. And this is the 2-hour chart of Bitcoin, and we can switch to the 4-hour to see if there's anything more there. And this is some kind of a falling triangle here from the daily that comes in here as well. So yeah, it's getting towards a point now where if you can just get a push above the 6750, I mean, it you know, area, we should really get going, at least up to the 7.5 where we failed the last time. And that's the next kind of key level. And if that gets taken out as well, then you know, hallelujah, then we should be off to the races, at least for some time. Looking at the daily, maybe a little bit bigger picture. Can we see something? Oh, that's a bit of a messy chart here. But we can see this kind of falling, what do you call that? Falling wedge or something. And so we're really getting down here now to, yeah, it's right at the peak here. So it's something will happen, that's for sure. So keep an eye on that on this weekend, and it could very well be that we finally get some kind of a pump higher here. I think Novogratz wasn't he talking as well here, or is this from a few days ago maybe? Novogratz could be right after all, since he called for a bottom in the crypto market on September the 13th. So that's quite some time ago. But I guess he looks more on the bigger picture as well. And he set some kind of a conservative target for the end of the year. I think it was $10,000. And what does he look at? He looks at the Williams R, %R, and a technical oscillator that shows that the current closing price in relation to the high and low of the past number of days. And so I guess he came out when it was around 6,000 or something like that, and I kind of called that now you know, now is the time. So that's always good to see. And I think these German guys, they had something pumping here as well. The fintech startup will let you hold Bitcoin in your bank account. Well, that's kind of cool, isn't it? Let's see if other countries can kind of follow up on that as well. German blockchain banking service Bitwala is set to launch the first ever platform that will enable the management of both euro deposits and Bitcoin funds within the same bank account. Wow. System is planned to kick off in November with an estimated 30,000 customers. I mean, these are some smart guys here. I mean, they're gonna get more business, more people interested in probably other services as well that they're doing, right? So this is a way as well for them to increase their customer base, I would assume. What are you saying here? The biggest initial investor for the service is Early Bird Venture Capital, who is providing funds to the tune of 4 million. Okay. And what else? Is there anything else here? Okay. It will also be protected up to the 100,000 euros under the German deposit protection scheme. So that's it's getting a little bit more mainstream, huh? This whole thing now, when you even have stuff like this going on. So I guess we're making, I don't know, baby steps in the right direction, I guess. And we'll see if more and more institutions and people can kind of catch up to this, and that we get more companies formed that also can bring out different services to the crypto space. So let's keep an eye on that this weekend here. 6666. I don't know, that must be a sign. 4 times 6. Okay, so that must be the bottom, right? Okay, enjoy the weekend, guys.